The judge, see, the judge himself, the judge himself has said,
You make a point. Honorable Chair has given you opportunity to speak. How can you cast aspersion on the judge of a High Court?
And he referred to as RSS judge. This remark is withdrawn, this remark is deleted, and this is objectionable, this is deleted.
the issue is who was to lead. The Deepam, Kartiya Deepam, on top of the Subramania Swami temple of Tirupurangundram near Madurai. Who has lit the Deepam? Whether the recognized official Hindu Religious Endowment Board representative or some miscreants just now, they wanted to create some problem. They went to the court and got a judgment from the RSS judge. The judge, see, the judge himself, the judge himself has said,
This amounts to casting aspersion on the judiciary. Honorable Member T.R. Balu is a senior member of the House. He cannot pass aspersion on the judiciary. And he has named RSS judge. I'm sorry to say that in the history of our parliamentary democracy, we have maintained decorum, rules, prevention of all usage of unparliamentary words are in record. He is using.
Kindly be seated.
We are not opposed to whatever he speaks, but he can't use
Honorable Minister is standing and speaking.
He can't cast aspersion on judiciary.
Rest of the members.
How can he cast aspersion on a judge? It is a very serious matter. Baluji, this will lead to unnecessary trouble.
Sir,
Not only for you,
sir,
but for your party also. This is absolutely wrong on the part of Honorable Member Baluji. You make a point. You make a point. Honorable Chair has given you opportunity to speak. How can you cast aspersion on the judge of a High Court?
Honorable MP, sir, Mr. Balu, your point has been taken. One second. If you want that, no, please be seated. Rest of the members, please be seated. If you want discussion, let him speak. Let him speak. If you speak,
No, you want Baluji to keep speaking whatever he wishes.
I cannot
This
allow
House
all of you.
runs with rules of procedure.
Mr. Togre, no.
Did you hear what he
Please
said?
sit down. Please sit
Did you hear
down.
what he said?
No, once again.
No.
Mr.
We
Balu.
are ready to listen.
Yes, sir. One second, sir. No, please be seated. Please be seated. I will let you know.
No.
Sir,
We can't agree to the statement made by Honorable Member T.R. Balu.
sir,
We
one
take
second.
serious objection to it, and this is a wrong precedent. If a member is allowed to
Sir,
speak
you-
anything he wishes,
No.
this
See,
House cannot run like this.
I am now going to talk. I am going to speak. I am going to say kindly, please be seated. All of you, please be seated. Please be seated. I will decide. I will let you know. Honorable MP T.R. Balu, sir, you're very senior. You know that the matter is sub judice, and unfortunately, you have. No, sir. Let me speak. The chair is speaking. Please listen. No, one second. Sir, 1 second, sir. Please. 1 second, sir.
He makes accusation. I will request our MP who belongs to Tamil Nadu also be allowed to speak, who is Honorable Minister.
I will allow. Sir,
We will
I
listen to him.
I will allow. Sir, second thing is you have mentioned against a honorable judge and you refer to as RSS judge. This remark is withdrawn, this remark is deleted, and this is objectionable, this is deleted. We cannot label any honorable judge of the country like that in any way, in any form.
செய்திகளை உடனுக்குடன் தெரிந்து கொள்ள கீழ்க்கண்ட கேபிள் மற்றும் டிடிஎச் நெட்வொர்க்குகளில் எம்நாடு செய்தி தொலைக்காட்சியை காணுங்கள். பாதகம் செய்பவரை கண்டால் நாம் பயம் கொள்ளலாகாது பாப்பா. மோதி மிதித்துவிடு பாப்பா, அவர் முகத்தில் உமிழ்ந்துவிடு பாப்பா. அண்மை செய்திகளை உடனுக்குடன் தெரிந்து கொள்ள இணைந்திருங்கள் எம்நாடு தொலைக்காட்சியுடன்.